Welcome to localmechanics.us, your go-to platform for finding local mechanics, auto shops, specialty garages, and stores in your locality. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy process of verifying your account on our platform. Verifying your account is a crucial step that ensures the safety, security, and trustworthiness of our platform, both for mechanics and potential customers. It's an important measure to build trust and attract more customers to your business. To get started, simply sign into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to your profile page. Look for the Verify Your Account button and click on it. You'll be provided with a brief explanation of the verification process. Follow the instructions carefully. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, phone number. This information helps us confirm your identity and ensures that only qualified and legitimate mechanics are listed on our platform. Once you have submitted your information and documentation, our dedicated team will review it promptly. You'll receive a notification when your account has been successfully verified. By verifying your account on localmechanics.us, you'll be taking a crucial step in building your reputation and attracting more customers to your business. Our platform employs various marketing strategies, including SEO, advanced schema, affiliates, social media, and paid advertising, to put your mechanics business at the fingertips of thousands of local prospects and vehicle owners.